Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Uh, we've got a new addition to our drone fleet. We've actually added a Coastal 2, and this is a little bit different drone that we're going to be using quite a bit along with the 360 cameras because of the view that it can do, where it can fly, and what it can do. Yesterday afternoon, I had a chance to go out to Fort Travis, and I love Fort Travis. It's one of those places that I think if you come down here, if you come down to Southeast Texas, you really need to take the time and go up to Fort Travis and look around. The park's in immaculate condition. The county, Travis and the crew, William Como and all of them, do an awesome job of keeping the park mowed and keeping the trash up, and just the view that you can see from Fort Travis is unbelievable. But not only the view, it's also the Texas history. And so we're going to be doing some more up there. We're actually going to be bringing it to you in 360 degree. We're working on the North Jetties. We're working on Fort Travis. We've got to go over and work on the lighthouse area. We're even going to bring you a video going down through Crystal Beach, the shops, stores, and businesses. And so I had a chance to get out yesterday afternoon and do some more test flight, get used to the controls because this is different. And this is actually, I run these through goggles. And so it gives you a different perspective. The lens gives you a different perspective and what we can do. And so we're going to be playing with it, showcasing Bolivar a little bit different through a point of view more style versus just regular video cameras. And like I said, Fort Travis is one of those areas that I think everyone needs to go to. And so when I was up there yesterday, Jerry came up to spot for me. And I was flying around and he was watching through a monitor we had hooked up. And he said, "My gosh, David, it's crazy what this thing will do." And so we had fun playing with it, did some test runs, did some test shots. I'm still a little bit jumpy on it. And so bear with me a little bit on this video. They'll get better. We're also moving to a different processing the video clips. And so over the next 30 days, 45 days, you're going to see a little bit different style, different transitions, different things we can do to the video, and also different ways that we process it to bring out the true colors and the good view. And so this was yesterday afternoon, probably about 4:30 or 5. I was up at Fort Travis playing around, and the water was beautiful. The weather, it's heating up a little bit. We've got great weather for the weekend, so if you're looking for something to do, why not come down, round up the family and kids and come on down and explore a little Texas history here at Fort Travis. You can enjoy our 27 miles of beach, family-owned restaurants, and a lot of Texas history. People don't realize the history that we have down here on Bolivar Peninsula, the Texas history, and Fort Travis is a big, big part of that. And so if you're looking for something to do this weekend, get out, enjoy the weather. It's warming up a little bit. We have a little bit more humidity right now than we did in the last week. And so it is warming up. But as you could see out here, they do have covered picnic areas. They've got the barbecue grills, and they've got a playground you saw earlier. And so what better way to get out, enjoy time with family and friends, or maybe just take the kids on a little Texas history trip. Every place we've shown you, you can get to. And you can go to our website. We actually have one of these batteries in 3D where you can walk through it. We use the Matterport. We haven't got the other one up yet, but this one here, the Kimball battery, but we do have battery 238. You can actually walk through it, and it's all labeled, and see where the shells were stored, how big they were, the gunpowder they had, and everything. If you just go to our website, BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, look under activities, or if you're in Google, just type in Bolivar Peninsula, Texas, Fort Travis, and our page pops up. So, anyway, just wanted to give you a little look around Fort Travis this morning. If you were looking for something to do, maybe get out, enjoy the view over Galveston Bay, the Houston Ship Channel, watch the ships come in and out, and enjoy a little time here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. We also, as everyone knows, you can come down and enjoy our family-owned restaurants, shop at our family-owned shops and stores, and enjoy our 27 miles of beachfront paradise. I tell you what, the beach is in great shape. So if you're looking for something to do this weekend, Team Bolivar invites you down to the upper Texas coast to come relax, vacation, and live the coastal life, at least for the day. If not, go to our website, BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, and find you a vacation rental. You can also see Bolivar Live anytime through our 11 live webcams. So we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the little ride around or shuffle around through the new Coastal 2 at Fort Travis. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. God bless and bye-bye.